How to delete DeepSeek account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can delete out our DeepSeek account. So if you're also wondering and you want to delete up your DeepSeek account and you no longer want to use it, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be easily able to delete up your DeepSeek account. So for that, you can go ahead and open up the DeepSeek application or either head over to deepseek.com in one of your browser. And once you open it up, you'll be finding an interface like this on your screen. So in order to delete your account, you can go ahead and tap on the two horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you reach here, at the bottom left corner, you can find your profile. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to the space and you can easily find an option called delete account at the very last. Just go ahead and select it. And you will be finding this confirmation pop-up. So if you really want to delete it, you can just go ahead and tap on delete and then your account will be deleted. So that is it. That is how you can delete up your DeepSeek account by following up this method for now. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.